Thank you, man. Thank you for that lovely, non-pandering intro. Today's episode of Microwaving with Colt is brought to you by not showering for 3 days and leftovers in Colt's fridge. I believe we have some leftover tortellini, and we're going to see what happens when we just cook one for far too long. Oh yeah, get it. So as you can see, tortellini. We're gonna take one, just get in there with your hands, grab a plate, don't be a monster. How long do we think is good for one tortellini? Three minutes? Yes I am, son. Should I make you watch all 3 minutes of this? Oh, we already have smoke. This might have been a horrible idea. I'm gonna get some water ready. Cue theme song. That's probably good. Yeah. Oh boy. So we're at 58 seconds, and this guy is holding up okay. Let's just keep going. I should put it for 30. Alright. Little mini Colt says we should do this for 35 minutes. I think the 58 seconds we've already done has probably been too much anyways. Does a single tortellini turn into a popcorn type situation where once it's popped, it just doesn't do anything until it catches on fire? There's now more smoke coming out of... Oh boy. This smells like death. We have this burnt to a crisp tortellini. The house is gonna stink for the rest of the day. Now I'm gonna clean the microwave. Chet, see you next time. Another episode of Microwaving with Colt.